Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have all new Oppo Reno 16 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you are planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. This phone comes with this snap key. If you will long press it, then you can open your favorite application. You can enable and disable any tool. To customize this, open your settings. Scroll down, select snap key, and here you have all different tools. You can select from any of these and then click on set. Now whenever you will long press this snap key, then it will do that action for you. While traveling, if you use your phone and get car sick, then you can definitely use the next feature. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, and then select motion cues. Enable it from here. Then it will start showing these dots on the edges of your screen. As your vehicle will move, these dots also shifts forward and backward. So with the help of this, you can prevent your car sickness. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And you can also see any removed notification from your notification bar. But firstly, you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down, select notification and quick settings. Again scroll down and then select more settings. Scroll down to the bottom and then select notification history. Enable it from here. From now it will save all the notifications from all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. You can see deleted messages from here, and you can also see any removed notification from your notification bar from this notification history. If you long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set this as your power menu, then open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, scroll down and then select power button. From here, select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu and you can easily power off your smartphone. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. With the help of AI, you can do a lot of work in the smartphone. For example, you can use the AI writer to turn your thoughts into text. You can simply write anything and then repolish it. You can also write your caption from here. You can write any article or blog if you want. So you can use this AI writer feature to fix your writing, or you can simply write anything with the help of a simple prompt. You can use this AI translate feature to translate any language. You can download any pack and then you can translate. You can also customize the speed and the voice from here, and then you can use this AI translate feature. And there is this AI voice scribe feature. You can record and then summarize any voicemail. For example, you have recorded any lecture and then you can summarize that in textual form. With the help of AI, you can also translate any voice note. So you can use this feature if you're a student or a professor. You can also use this to record any call or any meeting. Then you can translate it and make a summary. In previous version of Oppo Reno series, if you will swipe up by using 3 fingers like this, then it would open the split screen feature. But now it will add this screen on the Mindspace application. Mindspace is an application where you can collect all your screenshot, voicemail, etc. and then can research through them. Again, if you're a student or any professor, then this can be really helpful for you. Now if you want to open any application as split screen, then open the application, put it in recent apps and then click on these 3 dots. From here, select split view and then select the second application. Now you can use this split view feature. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then you can enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. From here, enable this part charging. It will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of this feature, you can increase the life of your phone's battery. With the help of AI, you can cut out all the background noise on any voice call or any video meeting. Open your settings, select sound and vibration and then scroll down to the bottom. There you will see clear voice. Tap on this and then enable it from here. Now it will filter out all the background noise and give you a crystal clear voice on your voice calls. You can use any application as floating window, then easily multitask. Open the app, put it in recent apps, click on these three dots and then select floating window. You can resize it from the corner like this. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it and keep on using your smartphone. And whenever you need that app again, then simply tap on the app's icon. So you can use this floating window feature to multitask in your smartphone. This phone comes with this new control panel where you have to swipe down from the right side to open your control panel, and you have to swipe down from the left side of your screen to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this, but if you want to set the older one where you get your notifications and your control panel together, then click on these three dots, select customize quick settings and then select classic. Now it will set the older one where you will get your notifications and your control panel together. Let's talk about some of the customization feature of the smartphone. With the help of those, you can make your phone look really cool. Open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and style. From here, you can select from any of these very nice looking themes. Select all flux themes. Here you have all different styles. Select your favorite one. You can further customize them. You can change the clock style. You can add different widgets. You can increase or decrease the size of the font and change the color as well. You can add your favorite widgets as well on the quick access and then click on apply. Click on next. Then it will apply the theme and make your phone look really nice. In the same home screen settings, if you will scroll down, you will see this feature called always on display. Tap on this and then enable it from here. Here also you have some styles. You can select from any of these, and then whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific UOD style on your locked screen. Here if you will click on more, then you will see an option called colors. From here you can change the UI color of your smartphone. You can select from any of these color palettes. You can also select any specific color from here. Select your favorite color and then click on OK. Then it will change the UI color to the selected color. You can change the fingerprint animation from here. Here you have all the styles. Select your favorite one. Then whenever you will unlock your smartphone with the help of fingerprint, it will show this style. And you can also enable this edge lighting feature. Whenever someone will call you or any notification will come, then it will show the edge lighting like this. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is this dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can also schedule this as per your bed timing. And the second one is this eye care. Tap on this and then enable this eye comfort. This will give you this warm color. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can also adjust the intensity from here and also schedule this as per your bed timing. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. If you read a lot of articles, ebooks a lot, then you can try this feature. In the same display and brightness settings, you will see screen attention. If you enable this, then it will prevent your screen from turning off. You don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep it on. It will detect your eyes from the front camera and prevent it from turning off. When you are on your home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open any of these applications. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen. Select home screen settings. Select icon pull down gesture and then enable it from here. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you can simply swipe up from either side of the screen like this. Then it will enable this icon pull down gesture. Now you can select the app and then it will open it for you. Let's talk about some of the gestures and motions in the smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gestures and motions. The most usable one is this double tap to wake and double tap to turn off screen. Enable these two. And now whenever you are on your home screen, you don't have to press the power button to lock your smartphone. You can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on your locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. In the same gestures and motion settings, you can enable this turn on or off torch with volume button. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will long press your volume down button, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. At the bottom of these gesture and motion settings, you will see shake to launch. Tap on this. From here you can either select torch or you can select camera. As we have set this volume button to the torch, here select open camera. Now whenever you are on your locked screen, if you will shake your phone like this, then it will directly launch your camera application from your locked screen. There's another feature to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. Open your camera app, click on these 6 dots and then select settings. Scroll down, there you will see quick launch, enable it from here. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will double press any volume button, then it will directly launch your camera application from your locked screen. If you're using gesture navigation, then you can enable the 3-button navigation, or if you're using 3-button navigation, then you can change the order of those 3 buttons. Open your settings, scroll down, select system and update, select system navigation. From here you can select button or gestures. You can also change the order of these 3-button navigation. You can use circle to search feature to search anything that you have on your screen. For example, if you're using Instagram and you found some product that you want to search on the Google, then tap and hold the middle button like this. That will enable the circle to search. Then circle the object or any person that you want to search, then it will directly search it on the Google for you. You can also use this to translate anything on the display. You can also use this feature to search anything that you have in front of you. Open your camera app, point the camera towards that object and then enable circle to search. Again, circle the object, then it will search it for you. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Oppo Reno 16 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.